The VACTEC fire protection system by Vacuum Sprinkler has been designed in order to increase the safety and the reliability of the traditional protection systems while eliminating all their drawbacks. The VACTEC system is a reliable, effective and sustainable system. Its water delivery time is very short, around a third of needed time in a dry system. In a wet system, during a fire and as soon as the fuse is broken, water flows immediately on fire if there is no sealing or clogging. In a dry system, water arrives after total evacuation of the compressed air within pipes. Unlike the vacuum system, wherein water is sucked by residual vacuum, which does reduce the delay. The VACTEC system avoids clogging in pipes. The traditional wet or dry systems favor clogging, while the VACTEC system prevents its formation thanks to vacuum included in pipes. Comparison of pipes between a clogged traditional system and the vacuum system remaining clean. The VACTEC system avoids condensation and emits corrosion. In a wet system, backwater favors the presence of certain bacteria. With water and oxygen, this leads then to corrosion and pipes perforation. In a dry system, temperature variations cause condensation, which can create ice plugs as well as corrosion. In a vacuum system, air is dry and preserves pipes from corrosion and leaks. This makes the fire protection systems very reliable over time. The VACTEC system avoids non-detectable water leaks whose consequences can be catastrophic. The VACTEC vacuum sprinkler system contributes to the preservation of the environment and avoids pollution of waters and soils. The VACTEC system takes part in the sustainable development. It prevents microorganism development such as Legionella. In the VACTEC vacuum system, microorganisms do not develop, while they proliferate in traditional systems. The VACTEC system also avoids the proliferation of algae and shells in pipes. With the VACTEC system, there is no more need for heating buildings. Frost protection of buildings that are secured by wet sprinklers requires heating during an average of 5 months, whereas the VACTEC vacuum system does not need heating. Therefore, it allows then a significant reduction of energy consumption and does not contribute to the greenhouse effect. Finally, the VACTEC system totally eliminates the need of using antifreeze and anti-corrosive treatments. Let's take the example of glycol, which is a toxic corrosive combustible that can flame up, favoring then the fire propagation. It is heavier than water and does not blend with it. Those properties require a continuous swirling of water, which leads to high energy consumption. Additionally, it must be renewed every 3 years, resulting to high expenses for product recycling and purchasing. If the glycol is not swirled, it deposits in pipes, creating corrosion and so risk of leak. The VACTEC vacuum sprinkler system is cheaper than classical systems, both on operation and maintenance costs. The protected area is larger. Indeed, the vacuum system, compared to a dry system with similar capacity, requires less control stations. It can be installed with standard pipes, whereas the dry system requires pipes with higher quality. The VACTEC system longevity is higher because it avoids clogging and corrosion as seen previously. Furthermore, VACTEC system suppresses rinsing constraints, which damage installations. Therefore, this represents significant savings for operations and staffing. Thanks to its innovative design, the VACTEC system reduces your monitoring and maintenance costs. Its high reliability, the use of standard parts, the not frequent spare parts replacement, as well as an easy and quick on-site service allow you to considerably reduce your maintenance costs. When we compare the various fire protection sprinkler systems, the VACTEC vacuum system is the most profitable system in the medium and long term. Indeed, its maintenance, operation and investment costs are significantly reduced. The new VACTEC fire protection vacuum system can adapt to any type of building in any location. The VACTEC system offers the possibility of adapting existing dry or wet installations that are equipped with sprinklers. The possibility to set up both closed and open sprinklers on the same network allows you creating a fire-stop water screen. This principle protects sensitive zones with high risks and has the advantage of isolating a fire while facilitating people evacuation. With the VACTEC vacuum system, you can use any water available on your sites to be protected. You no longer have to use drinking water. This also represents significant savings. The VACTEC system can be installed whatever climatic conditions are, so it can be installed in very cold regions or areas. The VACTEC system has a wide operating range unlike traditional systems. The wet system is sensitive to freeze. It can operate under negative temperatures only if glycol is added. The dry system is operational from -10 Celsius degrees or 14 Fahrenheit degrees, but it remains sensitive to freeze due to condensation. The VACTEC system, for its part, can operate with very negative temperatures without freezing. Sites exposed to freezing and very cold areas are then effectively protected against fire. The VACTEC system is also characterized by its simple commissioning and restart after triggering. This commissioning is very fast, as it requires usually less than 1 minute. It is very simple because it can be done by only one person. The spare parts replacement is rare, easy and quick. To combine safety and savings, choose the VACTEC protection system.